Congratulations, you just passed 10th. But wait, your next decision, science, commerce or humanities. This one choice can decide if you earn 5 lakh per year or 50 lakh in AI. Stop listening to outdated advice like only science student can go into AI. That is completely wrong in 2026. Today, AI is everywhere, from finance to psychology to content. No matter what stream you choose, you can build a high income AI career. Stream doesn't matter, this matters. For step formula, learn one AI skill, Python prompting tools, build 3 projects, real words, post on LinkedIn, YouTube, get freelance clients or internship. By 2030, AI will replace average jobs, but AI skilled student will dominate. So the question is not which stream is best. The real question is, are you building AI skills or not? अगर आपने साइंस लिया है, you have the fastest track to AI. Career paths are AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, robotic engineers. Top universities providing these courses: Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Science, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Private courses you can do from Coursera, Udemy, upGrad. Now strategy: learn Python, build projects, internship and high paying jobs. If you take in commerce, that is money machine. Career paths are AI in finance, fintech, business analyst, AI tools, AI product managers. Top universities: Sahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Nersi Monji Institute of Management Studies. Courses you can do: Google AI courses, skills here. Now, what is your strategy? Learn Excel, SQL, AI tools, and build business case studies. Now it's time for humanity students. This is your hidden superpower. Career paths are AI content creator, prompt engineer, AI ethics specialist, UX designers for AI products. Universities are Jawaharlal Nehru Universities, Delhi Universities. Courses you can do: LinkedIn Learning, Udemy. Now, what is your strategies for humanities students? Learn AI tool, storytelling, social media, and create your own economy. If you want step-by-step AI roadmap, project idea, first earning strategy, comment AI career. I will guide you personally. Please keep watching my channel, subscribe and like. Thank you.